So a new Facebook page has been created for Odyssey, and we plan a lot of activities around it. Every member is requested to post his product or service or achievement or a success story in this page. We have already crossed 200 likes. I don't know whether all of you have liked the page or not. Please go to Facebook, like this page, start posting about your products. Now, what is it that we plan to do? What every member should do is post something or the other. And if you see someone else's post on this page, please like it, comment on it, and share it. So the like and share dynamics of Facebook is like this: 15%. So suppose if you share a post, it goes to 15% of your friends. So if you have 1,000 friends on Facebook, that post will reach to 150 people. So one member sharing one post of anybody will go to 150 new people. Imagine if the entire Odyssey does this. It could go viral and we could invite a lot of visitors from outside. We have kept 5 admins who will delete any post if they found that irrelevant. And if an outsider tries to promote his business, that also will be deleted, no questions asked.
It's a closed.
So everyone can post, but we have a lot of admins who will keep on watching it and deleting what is irrelevant. No birthday messages, no anniversary, no witty comments, no good morning, good evening, no jokes. So please go like this page, and if anybody has posted anything, please share it. Once you share it, it goes to 15% of your friends. It is very difficult to call those 150 people and tell कि मेरा दोस्त ये करता है. Share it and get him visible out there. Next. Okay, so we are all giving gives and asks every week. So while somebody is giving us 30 seconds, you tend to miss out what the gives and asks are. So what we have appointed a team who will document these gives and asks and note it down properly and then post it in our Odyssey Rocks group, so that when you are sitting in the evening with a cup of tea, you can actually go through all the gives and asks and then, kind of relate how you can connect, how you can actually honor that ask, or how you can get connected to that give. You will have time, and if you are, sometimes you cannot come, your substitute is here, but still you are aware of what are the gives and asks. So there is one initiative which we thought we are just doing the same thing in a different way, so that people get more references and eventually more business is generated.
So that is what we are planning to do on the social media front to promote our business. So do you want this to be an MC or a BC? So what I mean by this is a memorable committee or a Bekar committee, it all depends on you guys. So it is up to you members, don't blame it on the committee please. And don't blame the LT also for it. So the team which I have in mind, I have Mr. R. Mahadevan, who will be the power team and growth coordinator. I have Mr. Sushil Bell. And I request the members to please stand as I call out the names. Sushil Bell is in charge of training and traffic lights. Manish Dusa is mentor coordinator. Ash Balani is in charge of visitors. Amit Talreja is in charge of attendance. We have Dipen Utsel, new member. Rohan Ramchandani, he is in charge of renewal. So you cannot say no to him for renewing your membership. Why he will be after you? And last but not the least, we have our CD, Anush Kanga, referrals and one-to-one. So this is my team. Over to you.
Okay, so now I announce the visitor host team. This is the visitor host team which is responsible for inviting and taking care of the visitors as they enter the room. So the lead is Hetal Gandhi. Would you please stand up? These are the gods of first impression. If you guys could all stand up. Sheetal Meher, she's not there. Pranay, Zarna, Manish Chorani.
Guys, please stand once your names are called out, guys.
Saloni. So basically the gods of first impression, as you all may know, is when the visitors come, these are the pretty faces who are going to greet them. Then we have the gods of best impression: Deval, Nandini, Hetal Shah, Kunal Sen, Nilesh Jain. So their job is basically to escort all the visitors, introduce them to the LT, and direct them where they are supposed to sit. So guys, the visitors are supposed to sit in the front row, of course. Then we have the closing team. We have the great Manish Bhuta, Janak Machi and Janvi. These are responsible for the visitor orientation after the meeting gets over. Thank you all.
So we have a card file coordinator Nilesh Jain to make sure all the visiting cards are in place. For stationery Chandrasekhar Pujari. Chandra is doing a great job for the last 1 year. Let's give it up for him. And education coordinator Naresh Karmarkar. And events coordinator Sunil Motwani.
He is not there today.
And social committee, who else than Dipen Uchil and Sunil Motwani again leading. Terry Palwatkar, Asif Sheikh, Ravi Tiwari and Nikhil Gandhi. And we have the food coordinator Aditya Devurkar. We have a 30-second support Sachin Kampani. If you are finding difficulty in making your 30-second presentations, you can contact Sachin. He can help you to come up with very short. And we have a training coordinator, Kunal Jain. He's going to take you about the upcoming events and trainings. And we have the official timekeeper, Mr. Bhagat.
So, a mentor coordinator is again Manish Bhusa. So, he is in charge of all the new members. So, mentoring is not required only by the new members, even old members require mentoring. Sometimes we are very active, sometimes we are a little low. So, Manish is there to help us. We have an 8-minute support for us, which is Mahadevan hour. So, if anybody has any difficulty in making their 8-minute or having any queries about it, you can always get in touch with Mahadevan. He will be more than happy to help you. Then we have Dr. Green, Naresh Karmarkar. So this job is basically to identify those members who are just about to come in the green but are lagging by a few points. So he can sit down with them and probably guide them so that at least next month a person comes in green for sure. Then we have a social media committee headed by Nabil Mahimwala, and the members are Shashank Sharma. Could you please all stand up? Devan Amani, Ashish Person, Dinesh Jain, Sunil Lekhi. Now, these are the admins of our Facebook page who will take care of what is going around in the Facebook page, encouraging members, all those things. Also, they are responsible to document the gives and asks. While everyone is talking about the gives and asks, these are the people who are responsible for documenting and then posting in the chat. Thank you. So, a long-term vision that we thought about Odyssey is to take Odyssey at 2017, my vision, our vision. We should be 100 strong members and be able to do 5 crore a month business.